Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching Tech Master YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Bluetooth not working on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste your time. Before start this video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appearance on the screen. There are many solutions to fix this problem, and the solution number one is check the latest iOS update. Simply tap on the settings app. You can see appears on screen a little bit. Scroll up to find general. Tap on software update. You can see appears on screen just a little bit. Wait. You can see this iPhone has pending update. If you also have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now we applying this solution number two. The solution number two is reset all settings. Simply tap on the settings, tap on general, a little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now we applying the solution number three. The solution number three is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, slide to power off, restart your iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 4. The solution number 4 is reset network setting. Tap on settings. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. A little bit scroll up. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network setting. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset network setting and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Bluetooth not working on your iPhone in iOS latest update. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.